Onbrane was born from a meeting of people who love technology, us, and a large French issuer who wanted a new way to negotiate and issue commercial paper. The result is a multi-currency, multi-product OTC platform which has been built with the market community for issuers, brokers, dealers, as well as investors. The platform is user-friendly and very easy to implement. Onbrane brings efficiency, security, and transparency to the marketplace. So now let's jump to a demo.
Hello everyone, I'm Etienne Vincent, business developer at Onbrane. With my colleague Laure Prevel, onboarding and quality manager, we are going to present you the Onbrane platform. 3 roles corresponding to the 3 key players of the commercial papers market are available on the platform: issuer, dealer or broker, that we call intermediary, and investor. For this demo, Laure will be an issuer and I will be an intermediary. We will show you how an issuer expresses needs and negotiate with his intermediaries. For a demo of the intermediary investor model, the brokerage resale of the CP on the secondary market, do not hesitate to contact us. Now let's go.
Hi everyone, Laure speaking. To begin, the homepage gives me a quick overview of my daily activity on the platform. I can publish status for all of my intermediaries. I can check my daily activity, my needs, the offer I have received, and the CPs I have issued. Now we are going on the issuing settings. In the issuing settings, I will implement all the information regarding each CP program I currently have. My issuing settings also allow me to choose with which intermediary I wish to work with. Then, I can indicate my rating. For the automation of my back-office process, I select the paying agent in charge of the trades with the intermediaries. Then, I can add an email list. I choose a type of signature to confirm the trades. So, to summarize on this page, I select who I want to work with and the setting for each commercial paper type. I can update it anytime. Now I can express a need. On this single page, I express all my financial needs of the day and follow my current negotiations. I indicate what type of commercial paper I want. Today, I trade EuroCP. I can select more than one type of security. I choose a currency. I select pound, and I indicate that I can accept other currencies. I indicate my value date. I choose spot, and I can accept other value dates. My need expression is like a question. It's not binding. Everything is negotiable. There are 2 ways to express a need. The first one is a yield curve. It corresponds more for financial issuers. I can create a curve with several maturities and rates with an overall objective. Intermediaries can make offers everywhere on the curve. The other way is a specific maturity. It corresponds more to non-financial issuers. I express my needs for single maturities. Once again, I choose what I prefer, and it's not binding. Now I will create my curve. I select a maturity. The calendar shows the holidays according to the chosen currencies. I'm looking for 1 week maturity. I fill an amount. I indicate a type of rate. I choose pre-computed rate, a rate of 6 bips, and I save my first point. Once I've created my curve, I select the intermediaries I wish to negotiate with. They are the intermediaries of my issuing settings who accepted to collaborate with me. I can add a comment to give more information, and I submit. So, on this single page, I express my need in a no-binding way, and I select the intermediaries of my choice. It's on this tab that I will receive offers from my intermediaries. I can create more needs and name them. I can modify my need at any time. I can comment my need thanks to the chat, internally, or for each intermediary. These comments are recorded by need and can be exported from my compliance tracks. Now let's see what happens on the intermediary side and let's negotiate this EuroCP. Come on, Etienne, show me what you have.
Thank you, Laure. I'm going to present you the dealers and broker side. On the platform, I can negotiate with my issuers and buy for my book or for investors. Sell a security from my book on secondary markets. Now let's go to the market page. In the market page, I find all my issuers' needs. I can filter them. I can find all my current negotiation in the negotiation tab. But now, let's see what let's propose. In the Issuer tab, I will find the need of the issuer. In the Investor tab, I can broadcast the need to the investors of my choice. If you'd like to have a demo of the intermediary and investors model, please contact us. I have two choices. I can make an offer from the need of my issuer. I still can modify some characteristics if I want. For example, the issuer is asking for 10 million, but I only can propose 5 million. Second choice, I can make an offer with my home characteristic. It allows me to propose something different from his need. I'm going to propose 15 million, maturity of 4 months, at a pre-content rate of 10 bips. I can make as many offers as I want. Sola, what do you think about my offers?
Thanks, Etienne. I have received your offers. I have 3 options for each offer. I can refuse. I can negotiate. For example, you propose 5 millions, but I do not want to split. I propose 10 millions. Or, the third option, I can accept your offer. When I accept an offer, there is a double validation. Both issuer and intermediary have to confirm the offer. I indicate a timing during which the intermediary has to double confirm. If he validates in the 5 minutes, the security is created, otherwise the offer is obsolete. Now, I accept. I'm flexible on what I want to take. I can accept more or less than my initial objective. Etienne, do you accept or not?
Yes, Laure, I accept your offer. So I confirm, and now the security is created. Now that we have both confirmed, we are going to see the creation tunnel. The creation tunnel consists of 6 steps. It is a back office digest actions. It's the same for all the actors. It depends on your level of integration if you want. We can retrieve your ISIN code from your clearer, digitalize your signature, send the confirmation to your paying agent, and connect the platform to your internal system.
Hello, I'm Arnaud Sales. I'm co-founder and product manager at Onbrane. I'm in charge of defining the product vision, understanding your needs, and planning development with our technical teams. You had a quick overview of the Onbrane platform's main features. It's actually much more comprehensive. The platforms allow you to negotiate commercial paper from anywhere, like this, and securely, thanks to the best cloud technology. Thanks to it, you will have access to several pools of liquidity. You can switch from one security debt product like EuroCP to another like NewCP, and of course in all currencies. We work with the ecosystem and we are an open system, which allows us to guarantee you one thing. We improve the current process without upsetting or limiting it. Our platform covers the vast majority of market habits, like the choice of buyers, the brokerage, or the secondary market on and outside the platform. It also offers new audit trails and a better understanding of your activity and of the market thanks to data visualization and reporting tools. The platform is in production and several players are using it. Corporate companies like Air Liquide, public firms like Unidic, brokers like HPC, or dealers like Natixis are convinced by the solution. Their testimonies are also on our website and they are more than positive. Today, we continue to onboard a maximum of market players. We also spend a lot of time and energy to understand your needs to develop the best features for you. Our team is dedicated to answer your problems, so do not hesitate to contact us. And as you've seen, we are terrible actors, but we are great platform builders. And God save the Queen.